Hello. Hello. Okay, good morning.
Wow. What can I do you for?
Okay, good morning.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Please, hello.
Yeah, 1 minute. Let me get rid of this first.
So, hello.
Let me move out of the way.
Come. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Come. Why are you doing this?
Yeah, let me park well. Let me park well. Yeah. As you can see, this is an obstruction to the road. Alright? And under whatever circumstances, roads are meant to ease movement. And when that mission is not fulfilled, it is no longer considered a road. So if whatever road, there's an obstacle on it, it is never ever considered a road any longer. So I am not against bumps, but bumps should be at the appropriate positions, not just like madness. Anyhow, there are appropriate authorities that put bumps on the street. Me and you don't just take laws into our hand and put bumps anywhere we like. It doesn't work like that. You meet the authority and then they will settle the issue. And the authority that has already a company that built the road, they will send that contract to that same company to erect a bump where it's really required. And that's all. You don't just act like an imbecile on your own, doing whatever you like. It is no longer like that these days in Nigeria. We're all sensible enough. Come on, man, it's P2B, man. It's P2B all the way.
Come, excuse me. do you know the implication?
Come, man, I still have another section, man. I still have more to do. There are more of it.
Gentlemen, someone is working and he has his reasons. Well,
you don't employ a carpenter to do a surgical operation. Okay? Does it work like that? Does carpenters become doctors? No. This is exactly more like it, where you ignore the main road construction companies and then use maybe a mason or a plasterer to do a work meant for the public, for general use. It doesn't work like that. You apply professionalism in everything. Professionalism. Okay? I think what's doing is what doing well, okay?
no, but let me ask you, is it because it was not done very well, or because of the implication, the destructions it will cause to cars passing here, or?
Of course, it's an obstruction already. An obstruction to the easy flow of whatever vehicular movement can result to whatever. It's an obstruction on its own already. So, if it should be done, will only be done appropriately, where it is being originally designated, not just at random, wherever you feel like you have them. No.
I can see some people telling you thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Why are they thanking you?
I don't think what I'm doing is actually bad, because our community actually, the black man is always scared to speak out, because he's always scared of the unforeseen circumstances, which is merely imaginations. Just imaginations.